everyone, welcome to What I Eat in a Day boyfriend edition. So Baz is definitely the chef of the household. I'm not the one to be cooking all the time, but he's a good cook, and it's very common for him to be the one cooking for us, and I'm usually the one cleaning. So today I am doing the What I Eat in a Day boyfriend edition, and so for breakfast we got this croissant, and I am not usually a fan of having something sweet for breakfast, but so it's a mix of sweet and savory, I suppose. So inside we've got turkey, bacon and cheese, and he also made me green tea. So let's dig in.
Good.
You want to try it?
Before.
You never had it before?
No.
Actually, I've never had this before either.
Mm.
What made you want to make this for me?
Because I was gonna do something sweet, but then you kept saying you wanted something savory.
Yeah, I think, I don't know, I just can't have a sweet breakfast. But if I do have a sweet breakfast, I have to mix it with sweet and savory. It's nice, isn't it? It's good.
Yeah.
Are you jealous? And you know what's funny? Yesterday we had pizza, and I was literally just like thinking to myself, I'm not gonna have cheese again. Bearing in mind, by the way, I'm lactose intolerant, and yeah, I just still eat cheese. It's just me. I can't keep myself away from cheese. And then here I am.
Building your immunity.
Building my immunity. Made me some mushroom, what is this called?
Tagliatelle funghi.
Baz has actually made me this many times before. I actually went grocery shopping yesterday, and he told me like what to buy and everything, and I didn't buy Parmesan cheese, so this is meant to also be with Parmesan cheese, but I can't take cheese anyway, so it might be in my favor because this already has cream in there, and I can't really take dairy, so let's dig in.
How's it?
This is good. You haven't actually made this in a while, so
Yeah.
I think because you haven't, it just tastes nicer, because I'm not usually a fan of having like big lunches. I usually just have like snacks, and then all the snacks that I have, I'll like account it for like, oh, I had lunch. But since Baz is cooking me lunch, I haven't actually snacked, because you made me like a bigger breakfast than I would usually have. This is a bigger lunch than I would usually have. So I guess that's why I haven't been snacking. Oh my god. Baz's one looks so good. I don't want to spill it.
Huh?
Time to dig in. Okay, so for dinner, it was such a real debate what to have for dinner because we had quite a heavy lunch. And so I wasn't really as hungry. I mean, I wanted to eat because I knew I needed to eat, but I just wanted a light dinner. We couldn't figure out what.
This is not really that light.
This is not light. But we wanted to do summer rolls. We have all the ingredients for summer rolls, and we just didn't defrost anything. We didn't defrost the prawns. That was our issue. We got loads of prawns.
Yeah,
You know?
we need to start cooking them.
Yeah. Anyway, so in the end, we thought, let's just cook something simple because I am exhausted today. So today, okay, mine doesn't look as appetizing as Baz's. But I literally just have like the ramen noodle in the soup with a soft boiled egg, and I've got my chicken on the side because I like mine crunchy still. So yeah, let's try it. And this was from an instant noodle pack, and as far as instant noodle goes, this is actually quite nice. We've had this before, we had different flavors before. And for ramens, like this is quite nice for an instant noodle ramen. Let's try this flavor.
It's good, yeah?
Thank you.
It's quite nice.
Yeah, it is nice because it's like for an instant noodle.
Well, you should taste mine. Just to see.
I don't know, so for these like food videos, if you couldn't tell already, I'm quite the picky eater. That's why look, I got my chicken on the side and my ramen is plain, and then Baz is all like nice and colorful and whatever, but like I'm a picky eater, so like this is my life. That was a lot. I literally just got like some of the, what would you call this? Some of the soup base left, but like, I'm done for today. I'm done. Good night.